Hey children, how are you? I am Aditi Miss. Today I will talk about farm animals and some wild animals. Then we will do some activities, we will play quiz and I will say a story of zoo. Then we will learn some question answer. So let's start. So children, we will reading picture. We will first read. Farm animals. Read the passages. I am a hen. I am small and brown. My young is called a chick. I give you eggs. My home is called a chicken coop. I eat worms and grains. I say cluck cluck. You read 3 times. Then we will do activities. I give you, there are 4 options pictures. Wool, eggs, milk and honey. Answer will be eggs. Now check the picture that matches the story. I am a duck. True or false? Yes, false. My young is called a chick. Yes, I eat hay and grains, worms and grains or grains and milk. Answer will be worms and grains. Now read this passage. I am a duck. I have a yellow bill. My young is called a duckling. I waddle and swim in the pond. I eat vegetables and worms. I say quack quack. Now what I eat? I eat vegetables and worms. Match the following. I am a chicken. True or false? It's false. My young is called a duckling. Yes, I swim in the pond. Now read this one. I am a cow. I am black and white. My young is called a calf. I give you milk. Milk can be made into butter and cheese. I say moo moo. Milk can be made into, answer is cheese and butter. Check the picture. I am a dog. True or false? It's obviously false. My young is called a calf. I give you milk. Now read this one. I am a sheep. I am big and white. My young is called a lamb. I give you wool. Wool can be made into clothing. I graze on fresh grass. I say Baba. Now I graze on grass, green grass. Check the picture. I am a sheep. True or false? Yes, it's true. My young is called a lamb. Wool can be made into what? Clothing like sweaters, jackets. Now read. This is also farm animal. I am a horse. I am big and brown. My young is called a foal. I live in a stable. I can run fast. I eat grass and hay. I say nehe nehe. Now say I live in a horse live in a stable. Check the picture. I am a horse. True or false? It's true. My young is called a foal. I eat what? Grass and hay. Very good. Now we will read and answer the question. It is a deer. It lives in the forest. It likes to eat leaves and grass. It has antlers on its head. It uses antlers for fighting. Some deer can be big and some can be very small. Now let me answer. What is this animal called? Answer is, this animal is called a deer. What does it eat? Deer eats grass. Where does it live? It lives in a forest. What does it use its antlers for? For fighting. These are foxes. They live in the forest. They live in an underground home called a den. This is where they take care of the baby foxes. Baby foxes are called kits. Foxes are orange and brown. They like to eat mice and rabbits. They can run and jump. What are baby foxes called? Baby foxes called kit, K-I-T. Where do foxes live? Foxes live in forest. What does a fox like to eat? Fox likes to eat mice and rabbits. What is a den? Den is the underground home of the fox. It's called den. These are bears. They live in the forest. They are brown in color. They are big and have sharp claws. They like to eat berries and meat. In winter, they can sleep for months and months. What do bears like to eat? Bears like to eat berries and meat. When do they sleep for months? They sleep for months in winter season. Where do these bears live? Bears live in forest. What color are they? They are brown in color. These are raccoons. They live in the forest. They like to live in trees. They can be quite naughty. They like to play and climb. They like to eat insects and seeds. They have grey fur. Their babies are called kits. What are these animals called? These animals are called raccoons. What do they like to do? They like to play and climb the tree. What do raccoons eat? Raccoons eat seeds and insects. Where do raccoons live? Raccoons also live in forest. These are rabbits. They like to hop and dig. They live in fields and forests. They dig holes to live in called burrows. They like to eat grass and vegetables. They are small. What do rabbits like to do? They like to hop and dig. What do they like to eat? They like to eat grass and vegetables. Where do they live? They live in forests or fields. Are rabbits big or small? They are small. Now this is a worksheet for you. Find the missing letters. Names of animals. You can see how many animals pictures are there. You have to write their names properly and you have to fill the missing letters. Lion, tiger, dog, elephant, camel, giraffe, fox, donkey and horse. Now I will say a story. Visit to the zoo. Jack and Emma are getting ready to visit the zoo with their family. Now you can see a red words with. You have to make sentence with W-I-T-H with. Okay. Mom says hurry, hurry. We have to reach there before noon. You can see there is also a colored word before. So you have to make sentence with before. They leave at 10 o'clock. They go by car. It is a beautiful red car. Though you can see by is a red color word, you have to make sentence of by. The car stops at the traffic signal. A pigeon sits on the car. Emma says, "Look, it is so cute." So there is two words, at, on. You have to make sentence. And you can see traffic lights. There are three colors, red, yellow and Green. What are the meanings? A puppy runs across the road. The car starts and pigeon flies away from car. Across and from. Two colored words. You have to make sentence of these. Okay, children? Many pigeons are flying above the building. The car reaches the zoo. What is the word? ABOVE, above. This is a colored word. You have to make sentence. Many pigeons are flying above the buildings. The car reaches the zoo. So can you make a sentence using above? ABOVE, above. Dad buys tickets from the counter at the gate. They start the tour of the zoo. What you have to buy? You have to buy ticket before entering the zoo. So FROM, from is the word. Emma says, look, the bear is resting under the tree. It is like a big teddy bear. It is like a big teddy bear and it is resting under the tree. Under means beneath the tree. Under, over. There are many monkeys on the tree. A monkey comes down to take banana from a boy. Monkeys on the tree. And monkey loves to eat banana. FROM, from a boy. Monkey are taking banana. Emma says, wow, peacocks are so beautiful. Can they fly over big buildings? Dad says, no, they can't fly very high. So peacock is a heavy bird. He can't fly very high. The over is the word. Under, over. There are lions in the zoo. A lioness is running after the cub. Lioness is the female lion, is called lioness. After, before. Crocodiles are resting near the lake in the sun. Where is crocodile resting? Crocodile is resting near the lake in the sun. In and near is the words. Emma says, ears of elephants are so large. Elephants' ears are so large. You know, have you ever been to zoo? You have seen elephant? He is the largest animal of land and ears are very big. There are many giraffes in the zoo. Jack says, Dad, that giraffe is taller than other giraffes. Again, word is in. So, this is that giraffe is taller than the other giraffes. Now, all are tired. They take rest beneath a huge tree. You have heard this word beneath again. Beneath the teddy bear, the bear was resting beneath the tree. Means under. Mom takes out the food from the basket. Everyone enjoys the picnic from the basket. The mom was taking out food from the basket. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now it's question answer round. I will ask 5 questions. You will give answers. Let's start. Question number 1. At what time Emma and Jack left for the zoo with their family? Answer is they left for the zoo at 10 o'clock. Question number 2. Where was the bear taking rest? You have seen in story na. Where was the bear taking rest? Answer is the bear was taking rest under the tree. Question number 3. Which fruit monkey was taking from a boy? Can you tell me which fruit monkey was taking from a boy? Yes, answer is the monkey was taking a banana from a boy. Now question number 4. Which bird cannot fly high? Dad answered Emma now. Tell me. Answer is peacock cannot fly high. Question number 5. What is the young one of lion called? Tell me what is the young one of lion called? Yes, answer is the young one of lion is called cub. So now we will say 5 sentences about zoo. Number 1. This is the picture of a zoo. Number 2. Different kinds of animals and birds are kept in the different cages. Number 3. Children come to visit the zoo with their parents. Number 4. Monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. Number 5. Children love to visit the zoo. So children, now it's your turn. You can say sentence about zoo. Whatever you can say sentence about zoo. So let's do the activity of taking the correct names of animals. Which animal is this? Yes, this is cow. What is spelling of cow? C-O-W, cow. So which one will be right answer here? Pick the correct. Yes. The first one, C-O-W, cow. Next, which animal? Yes, this is an ox. So what is the spelling of ox? O-X, ox. Find the correct one. Which one is correct spelling of ox? Yes, first one. O-X, ox. Which animal's picture is this? Yes, this is a cat. What is spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. You have to find the correct spelling of cat here. Which one is correct? Yes, third one. C-A-T, cat. Cat is the correct spelling. Which animal is this? This is a fox. Fox, where does a fox live? Fox lives in a jungle. Spelling F-O-X. So find the correct one. Yes, first one. F-O-X. Fox. Next is, which animal's picture is this? Yes, this is a dog. Spelling is D-O-G. Find the correct spelling. Yes, first one. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Now we will know about national animal tiger. Simple lines on tiger. 1. Tiger belongs to a cat family. Tiger belongs to a cat family. Tiger is the biggest wild animal in the cat family. It is one of the strongest animals of the jungle. It's from cat family, look like cat. 2. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. National animal is Bengal tiger. Tiger is national animal of India. Now, number 3. Tiger is strong and powerful animal. You know, I think tiger is strong and powerful. Tiger has long and strong body. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and 1 tail. It is a carnivorous animal. It hunts and eats other animals. Tiger eats other animals. Tiger eats flesh. So, tiger is carnivorous animal, which means it is a flesh eating animal. It hunts other animals for food. While hunting their prey, tigers can run at a maximum speed of 65 km per hour. Tiger can run very fast. A tiger can eat approximately 25 to 27 kg of flesh in one day. Wow! Female tigers are called as tigress and baby tigers are called as cub. Tigress is female tiger and baby tigers are called cub. C-U-B, cub. Female tigers are called as tigress and it gives birth to its offspring called as cub. C-U-B, cub. It runs very fast and can even climb on trees. Oh wow, it can climb on trees. Tiger can swim also. Tiger has long and strong body. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and one tail. It is a strong swimmer and often bathes in ponds, lakes and rivers. It takes bath in ponds, lakes and rivers. It loves to swim in water. Tigers have extremely good eyesight and hearing. Tiger lives in a jungle, no? So it has to be very good eyesight and hearing quality. Tigers produce the sound of roaring, which can be heard from 3 km away. Tiger's call is called roar. It is generally orange in color with black stripes. Yellowish orange, you can say, and black stripe. Generally, it is found in orange color with black stripes on it, but white tigers have black stripe on white skin. Have you seen a white tiger? It looks very nice. White with black stripe. Tigers are largely found in Asia. But tigers are largely found in Asia. Its species is now in category of endangered species. Thus, many movements and projects are started for saving them. Tigers are in danger, so save tiger. Now we will do quiz on animals. What are animals that live both on land and water called? A. Aquatic, B. Amphibian, C. Marsupial and D. Scavenger. Answer is B. Amphibian. Frog, salamander, newt, they are amphibian. Both lives in land and water. The female of which animal is called a jenny? A. Deer, B. Camel, C. Donkey and D. Bear. Answer is C. Donkey. Female donkey is called jenny. Donkeys have an excellent memory. What is the name for a group of dog puppies? A. Swarm, B. Drove, C. Litter or D. Herd? Answer is C. Litter of puppies. Beluga, orca, sei and bow-headed are all types of whales, bears, bulls or pigs. Answer is A. Whales. All types of whales. Beluga, sei, bowhead and orca. They are all names of whales. What are animals that carry their young in a pouch called? A. Canines, B. Rodents, C. Felinnes or D. Marsupials? Answer is D. Marsupials. Kangaroo, koala and wombat, they carry their babies in pouch. Now guess the animal seeing their shadows. Now which animal is this? You can identify? Oh yes, this is an elephant. Which animal? Long neck. You guess? Yes, it's giraffe. Which animal is this? This is both land and water lives in. Yes, this is tortoise. Tortoise can live many years. Which animal can you identify? Yes, this is a bear, brown in color. Which animal? Which bird actually? Which bird is this? Yes, this is a rooster. Which animal? This is a cat. Cat. Which animal is this? Big horn or nose? Yes, this is rhinoceros. This is a bird. Which bird? Yes, this is a bat. Which animal? This animal has pouch. Yes, kangaroo. And it can jump very high. Which animal shadow is this? It's bald eagle. This is 8 legs. Which animal? Yes, crab. This is a crab. Oh wow. Which animal is this? This is cobra. National animal. Which animal is this? It's squirrel. Squirrel loves to eat nut. Oh wow, which animal? Guess fast. Yes, it's king of the jungle. It's lion. Which animal? It can jump very high, green in color. Oh yes, this is frog. It's a cute animal. Which animal? Yes, puppy dog. Very cute. Oh wow, it lives in ice. Which animal? Penguins. Penguins lives in ice. Which bird is this? It can see at night. Yes, this is an owl. Owl can see at night. Which animal is this? It's a koala. Australian animal. Which is this animal? Very small. Yes, this is an ant. Ant. Hump on back. Which animal lives in desert? Yes, this is a camel. Which animal? It runs very fast. Yes, this is a horse. Horse have many colors. This lives in water. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a whale. Now this is a insect. Which insect is this? Colorful, yes. Ladybug, red and black. Now tell me which animal is this? Looks like a human. Yes, this is monkey. Monkey loves to eat banana. Which animal is this? It is a snail. Which animal? It lives in water also. Yes, this is hippopotamus. This is an insect. It can fly very colorful. Yes, butterfly. Colorful insect. Which animal is this? Can you guess? It's beaver. Beaver. Now this is also lives in water. Which animal? Yes, this is shark. A very dangerous animal. Thank you children. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.